it's Mark here with M2M Detail. So if you guys watched the last video, we just popped off the door panels. Now we're going to be installing the tint. So we're going to walk you guys through all that. First things first, if you do need to learn how to pop these off, check out the last video. But let's get straight into the video, guys. I'm going to put the windows up real quick. All right, guys, so the car is about 4 days old from the dealership. Does have this sticker over here. It has an OnStar sticker on the other side. So we're going to be removing those. So we got a little scraper right here, guys. And we're just going to throw a little bit of soapy solution on it just to get it started. And we're still good. My bad, guys. I had the mic off. So hopefully you guys still heard me and everything. But yeah, we're just removing the sticker right now. Get most of it out of the way. There we go. Pretty much gone. Now we just got to razor blade the rest of it that's left over. There we go, looks good. So now we're just gonna just lightly razor blade the whole window. Pretty much listening to any contaminants we could hear. Just razor blade this all real quick. Pushing everything down, guys. Control your flow. Put this back up one more time. Make sure we get this bottom edge real good. Grab a lint-free towel, guys. We're gonna get this all nice and clean. Also, I do wipe down the door panel, all the gaskets around it, just so we're not picking up debris or contaminants as we install the tint. So we'll go through here, wipe that all down, make sure the bottom's nice and clean, put the window back up, there we go, and now we're do our first pass of a spray squeegee spray. We're gonna be doing 2 of these just to make sure we ensure a clean install. So grab our Concord, come down the sides, all the way across the bottom, and then down the front. We want to make sure we get nicely into that gasket, get some solution in there so it's nice and slippery. Once again, wipe down the bottom of the door panel without touching the glass. All right, guys, so now we'll do this one more time just to make sure. I'm gonna grab the sprayer to get more solution everywhere, and then we'll be installing the tint. So we want to make sure we wash those all out. Sorry, guys, it's a little awkward with you guys right there on the camera. Let me tell you. The front side lined up, try not to touch anything. And like I said, it is tacky, guys. This is gonna be a fun little project right now. There we go. Definitely need to add more soap on the next one. Need to add some soap, guys. It's not budging. So we're gonna throw some soap in there. You can see how it runs down, guys. That's gonna make it a lot easier. Tighten this up. It's just too hot. All right, so now that we got more soap, start working this down. There we go. And there we go, guys. Sorry about that. Should add more soap. I didn't think it was gonna tack down that quick. That probably didn't look that good on video. Just joking. Some common issues you run into, guys. You gotta make sure you got enough soap in there, especially when it's hot out like this. Happy with the cut. Make sure if you gotta make adjustments, you make them now. If you gotta follow it, you follow it after you install it. We're gonna check it from the outside to make sure everything's lined up. And everything looks lined up from the outside, guys. So probably gonna go bounce on the other side real quick. Get that one nice and prepped up. Okay, guys, coming in. Let's get this front down, just like so. This down. Get that top down. Get this back in. Looks good. Let's check our outside. Make sure we can't see the tint line on the back window, the back of the window, and everything's looking good. All right, we're gonna leave it right there. Let's go finish up the other side. Not falling. We are good. I'm holding you guys this time so you don't fall. All right, guys, so we're back on this side now. Now, we just wanna make sure it's locked in place, which it is. Give it a couple little sprays real quick. Now we're going to do our insurance pass. Just real quick, one more time. Hold it at that edge. Let that water go down. Grab our blue plastic tri-edge. We're going to go up first, just like that, both sides. And then we're going to shoot down. Just like that. Each card, let's hit this top edge real quick. Make sure it's nice and dry up there before we roll up the window. All right, when we roll up the window, guys, I like to put a little bit of pressure on it, just so it goes back a little bit. And get this bottom edge, I'm gonna be popping the door panel back off, just like that. And we will just work it straight down. There we go, guys. That looks good. Pop a door panel, just lay it back over, just like that. We'll do our tri-edge real quick. We're gonna hit these corners down one more time. Just like that. Now this is installed. We're gonna go around with a little towel, the peach card. Hit these corners one more time, all the way down. Go across that bottom edge a little bit. There we go. Flip our towel over. Give it a quick little wipe. Everything looks nice on the outside. Let's go install the other window real quick. And then we'll come back with the heat gun and fix any issues that we have, which we probably don't, but just in case, always finish up with the heat gun. Make sure everything's sealed in, tacked in. Same thing, guys. Do a little quick little spray. Work this out. Do a little tri-edge real quick, guys. Get these side fingers out of the way. Don't want them to bring back debris into the film. That's a big one right there. I hit that down. Down real quick. Do our insurance pass. Whoa. Rolling this up, guys. Same as the other door. We're going to be pulling the door panel off. And then we'll hit that bottom edge. So I'm gonna give it a quick little spray. Pop this off real quick. Oh, it got locked in. Go. Just gonna hold it like this. I'm gonna grab our tool. Hit this big one out first. Grab our tri-edge. Make sure it's nice and clean. Get in that corner, and then we're gonna get in the back. Just like that. All right, guys. Put the door panel back on, hang over. There we go. We're gonna wipe this down real quick. All right, guys, so that's pretty much it. We just got done installing the tint. I'll let it dry for a little bit. I'm gonna heat up the edges, heat up the bottom edge, and then we'll be able to put all the gasket and the door panel back on. But overall, guys, pretty simple install. Make sure you got enough soap if it's too hot. Like I said, it's hot out here. Probably should have more soap in that slip solution, but you know, things happen. But all right, guys, I appreciate you watching. If you guys have any questions or hit me up in the comments, mark out.